Welcome to TechTopiaX, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. If you're looking for a lightweight drone that packs premium features without carrying a premium price tag, the Skyrover S1 Mini Drone is definitely one to watch. But is this product really worth buying? What do all those impressive numbers actually mean in real-world flying? And why is this drone becoming such a popular choice among beginners and content creators? Let's find out. The first thing that stands out is the weight. At under 249 grams, the Skyrover S1 falls into the lightweight drone category, making it easier to travel with and, in many regions including the US for recreational use, it can be flown without standard FAA registration requirements. That makes it a great companion for vacations, hiking trips, family adventures, and everyday aerial photography. Now let's talk about the camera because that's where this drone really shines. It records smooth 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, giving you crisp footage with fluid motion that's ideal for YouTube videos, travel films, and action shots. It also captures high-resolution 48-megapixel photos with an advertised 8K image output, allowing you to preserve impressive detail for editing or printing. A half-inch Sony image sensor and a bright f/1.7 aperture help produce vibrant colors and excellent sharpness across different lighting conditions. Of course, great image quality isn't just about resolution. The Skyrover S1 includes a true 3-axis mechanical gimbal that actively stabilizes the camera while flying. Whether you're moving forward, turning, or flying in breezy conditions, the gimbal helps keep footage smooth and cinematic instead of shaky. One of the biggest highlights is flight time. The drone can stay in the air for up to 40 minutes on a single battery under ideal conditions, giving you plenty of time to explore and capture footage without constantly landing to recharge. If you choose the bundle with 3 batteries, total flying time can reach up to 120 minutes, making longer shooting sessions much more convenient. Range is another impressive number. Skyrover advertises video transmission up to 39,000 feet, or about 12 kilometers, using its dual-band transmission system. While actual range depends on local interference, weather, and regulations, having that strong transmission system helps maintain a stable live video feed during normal flights. Flying is made easier with several intelligent features. Auto Track automatically follows your movement while keeping you centered in the frame, making it perfect for hiking, cycling, running, or creating solo content. Quick shots offer automated cinematic flight paths, while panorama and time-lapse modes let you create professional-looking footage with just a few taps. Safety also gets attention here. The drone features forward obstacle detection along with downward sensing to assist with safer flights and more confident navigation, especially for new pilots. Combined with smart return to home, the drone can automatically fly back when needed, helping reduce the stress of losing track of your aircraft. Another nice feature is its support for vertical shooting at up to 2.7K resolution, making it easy to create content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts without heavy cropping. The drone also includes digital zoom in supported recording modes, giving you more flexibility while keeping a safe distance from your subject. So why is the Skyrover S1 becoming so popular? It combines features that were once found only in much more expensive drones. You get 4K 60 frames per second recording, a Sony sensor, a 3-axis gimbal, intelligent tracking, obstacle sensing, long battery life, and an ultra-light design in one affordable package. It's a feature set that appeals to first-time pilots while still offering plenty for experienced creators. Whether you're capturing travel memories, creating YouTube content, filming family events, or simply exploring aerial photography for the first time, the Skyrover S1 delivers an impressive combination of portability, image quality, intelligent flight features, and long flight endurance. Thanks for watching TechTopiaX. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.